Hey, OB Construction, this is Paul Akers. Excuse me, I just worked out, but I got a message from Martin at CD Matters in wonderful, beautiful Ireland. And I understand that you went by and visited them and that maybe you might have been a little inspired, but that you took some initiative and you're making some changes already. And I hear your people are already making improvements like crazy. And I'm so happy for you. So I have a couple comments. Number one is, the construction industry, as far as I'm concerned, I've been in construction my whole life. I work with the biggest construction companies in the world, Turner Construction, BI Group in Kazakhstan, the largest construction company in that country. They're actually working on the biggest construction project in the world, $36 billion, an oil refinery in the Caspian Sea. So I'm around construction all the time, and I got to tell you something. There is, outside of the medical industry, no more dysfunctional industry ever on the history of the planet than the construction industry. And the reason I say that is, if you get this lean thing, it's over with. Nobody will ever be able to touch you. You will be in a league all by itself. So the potential that's in front of you is so massive, it's like, it makes me shudder. The BI Group has saved hundreds of millions of dollars, but it's not about money. It's about transforming people's lives. It's about making work more enjoyable, better. This is why we do lean. But if you do it right, it's impossible for the financial side not to improve. But that's not why we do lean. We do lean to improve the quality of people's lives, to honor the dignity of work, to make work amazing, to engage our brains. God gave us this amazing brain that can do incredible things, but unfortunately we don't tap into that. But organizations like Toyota and CD Matters that tap into the creativity of people, it's over with. And it sounds like you're on the right path. So I just want to congratulate you. I'm so happy. I can't wait to meet you. Keep me posted on your progress. Get a WhatsApp chat going, just like CD Matters. Post your videos, share. We call this Yoga 10, sharing information laterally across an organization so everybody's on the same page. This is what you want to do. So, man, I'm happy for you. But I got to tell you something. You won the grand prize of all prizes. You have CD Matters as a model. Their humble leadership, willing to share, giving back to their community and society. But you know what? Now that burden goes on to you. Because now you have to set an extraordinary example, and you have to share with all the people in your sphere of influence and help other people in your community and society in your incredible country to move to the next level, to improve the quality of life for everyone. I'm so happy for you. Here to help you in any way I can. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.